man. Yeah. Okay, now I've got to readjust the mirrors. Hang on. No, come on, go into neutral. There we go. I need to readjust these. As some of you may know, I recently introduced my sister to motorcycling. She later on went to do her CBT, and I promised her that if she did do that and saved up for insurance, I would give her a bike. And so a few months later, here we are riding to a parking lot to teach her how to ride manual gears on her new bike. That people are actually using it today.
Okay. This bike is so much more scary than the other one.
Yeah. It's because it's light. It's only made for one person. Okay, you might as well get out the, you know, the pink bottle that's in there. Get the pink one out now, because then as I'm spraying it, you can foam it. Because it sprays like a layer of foam over the bike. Yeah, not many people are lucky.
Have you seen me sit on this bike? It's a struggle, bro.
That's what it was like for me.
No, but like, how do I...
Can you put your foot in the rear brake?
Yeah.
Yeah, then you're falling.
But I'm too scared to lean it off.
What do you mean?
Too scared to...
Oh, you don't have to lean. Where the side stand is now, that's how high your money is supposed to be.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you don't need to have this foot flat either. Most of the time it fits for it.
It's such a heavy bike. I have to get used to this stuff first. How do you start it? This is so scary. On the other bike I was like, okay, I can sit, not like car. How did we do a whole journey with someone else?
There's still some time on there, so...
Okay.
Cool, thank you.
Push the bike here. I haven't finished doing it.
It's not working either.
Throttle accept.
No, turn the whole bike left. Otherwise, 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Brake for you. Use this first. You've got a bit of time. Go on, sorry, no. Hold hand. Careful with this. No. When you're not aiming it, let go of it. Because otherwise, you know that high pressure stream. If you're next to someone's leg, the leg off. And once I had finally finished teaching the idiot how to clean her bike, we could finally start the lesson that we came here for. Did you stall? Oh, she's okay. I imagine this is what it's like for parents teaching their kids how to ride a bicycle. Yeah, learn how to switch the gears. Practice it. Yeah, I mean, surprisingly, for only her second day, she's doing really, really good. If only I had this level of, or this ability to just go to a car park when I first passed. I had to ride my first bike home. My first bike sounded way better than that though. My first one sounded way better than this. Easy. Now that she'd gained familiarity with the bike and low speed control, it was time to move on to the next part of the lesson, how to stop in a controlled way at a traffic light. Hang on. Try and do it over there so I can see your other foot. Try and do it over there so I can see, well, try and do it actually, I'll just stand here actually, it's much easier. Yeah, just try it again because I want to see what your other foot's doing. Yeah, you can make this turn easily, don't worry. You can make this turn easily, don't worry. Too wide. What you need to do is, you need to hover your foot a little bit before you stop, and then just angle the bike slightly that way so you can just land on it. Because you want your foot, like, and let me show you where your foot should be. Your foot, put your foot on the back brake there. Your foot should be, it should be ready here, right? So, sorry, I'm making this really difficult for you, but almost, you almost did it. Yeah. I feel like she's just gonna keep looping endlessly. Are you gonna turn this way, or that way, or where are you going? Where are you going? My guy, where are you going? What are you doing? You're just going around in circles now. You don't want to stop on that side, trust me. You don't want to stop on the gear side. So you don't want to stop on the brake side, I mean. You always want to stop with your left foot. And remember, let the bike do all the slowing down for you. Don't try and stop it with your foot at all. You're close. You just gotta build the confidence to, you know, wait till the last second for it to drop, and try. I don't know if it's really difficult, but try and land like this. Let me see if you can actually do that. Go onto your other side, because I want to see if you can actually do it. No, not like that. Come this side.
What, as in lean all the way?
As in, like, sit like that. So I want to see if you can actually... You can flat foot, yeah. Yeah, you can do it fine.
It's when the bike leans, I feel like it's going to fall over.
It ain't, trust me. You know, remember that thing in design technology? Triangles are the strongest shape. You're making a triangle with the wheel, your foot, and the other wheel. So this right here is the most stable the bike can ever be. There's a reason why we only have one side stand here. So if you can learn, okay, maybe that. Sorry, I didn't realize you're pushing it backwards. I was thinking you were gonna stack. If you can learn how to stop like that, everything else is easy.
You say this, but it's not.
Alright, just give it one more try, innit?
It's dry steering the thing with the contact spoil.
Don't worry about it. The contact patch is so tiny, you didn't care about it. Yeah, we're gonna work on those launches, man. Perfect, you did it.
Get one thing right, you fuck up the other one.
Are you in neutral?
No.
That's fine. Don't worry, when you come to a stop, you're probably just gonna keep holding this anyway. But yeah, you did it perfectly. Now, I have one more thing that I want you to learn properly. Launching.
What's wrong with my launch?
It's very slow and gingerly.
Yeah,
So what I want you to do is, I want you to start the bike facing this way. Like this. If you face it this way, then you've got a longer space to launch from. It pops! My bike pops! Holy shit! I didn't think it would. That's mad. My bike actually pops. It's stalled. Oh, careful! It's alright. Did you stall it again? Hey, don't worry. This time you did better than last time. actually turn it. That's good. You got to pull in the clutch when you stop.
Yeah. You know what it is? I don't put it in enough.
Yeah.
I think it's in and then it's not.
Yeah. You got to pull it in all the way. You think of with bikes here, you can actually coast the last few meters. Like if you're in a test, they won't fail you for that. You can coast for the last few meters all the time.
Yeah, driving you can't coast.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. In fact, it's a more useful skill in this to coast because when you're filtering, sometimes you don't need any power at all, it's just a hold the clutch. So it's worth just trying to coast sometimes. In fact, try that now. You can try and coast to a stop. No, you can, like, obviously at a slow speed, but try and coast to a stop. Okay, no, I don't mean like MotoGP launches.
No. I know I wasn't supposed to just do that. That was stupid.
Alright, so yeah, I didn't really mean that.
I didn't stall.
You didn't stall, that's an improvement. That means you were holding the clutch in the right time. Just do that and then try and slow the bike down with the front brake, but mostly the rear brake. And then when you feel like you're going to come to a stop, then put your foot down. In fact, when you're really slow, let go of the front brake, just use the back brake. Oh. don't.
Oh, my wrist. Oh, fuck. That hurt. I just pulled it. I tried to pull the glove and I pulled my wrist. But that's because I've been doing that as well. Because I'm not really, I'm old now.
When you pull your glove off, just pull the fabric like this. Don't pull the whole thing.
It's quite heavy. That's what I mean. It's because it's like, it's still kind of, you know, everything's Velcro in it. They snap back.
See. Yeah, perfect, man. That's the best stop ever. Watch out for reversing learners.